Yo, graphic designers. Sorry, I know that's the wrong way to open up, but this is freaking insane. I'm gonna start over. What's up, graphic designers? Sadly, it's the very last day of class, but you know what, guys? I'm just experimenting with the generative fill for the very first time, and it is freaking bananas. You absolutely want to pay attention right now. So here is what I know. I know that you guys have been working so hard on this final poster project. You guys are doing such a great job. I love it. I'm actually going to continue working on this over Regents Week. You guys are going to submit your final project, but you guys check this out. Here is what I know. I'm gonna use the object selection tool. I'm gonna make a selection James, that football. We're gonna get Parker. We're gonna get Josh. And now I'm actually gonna invert the selection by pressing Command Shift I. We've learned so much this year. I'm gonna use the polygonal lasso tool, and I'm going to subtract. You guys check this out. So I'm subtracting selections. And so here is what I know. So now the selection is just above the turf, right? You guys see that? I see that. And here is what I know. I'm going to press M. I'm going to right click, you guys. I'm going to select generative fill. And I'm going to type in cheering fans. All right, we're going to generate. We're going to see what happens. You're going to notice it's going to take a moment as it's working its magic, as it's generating. And each time you do this generative fill, it comes up with something new and unique and different. You guys, that is freaking bananas, right? And so that's one. Here is another one I did that was also cool. And then okay, you know what let's do? I'm gonna make a selection, and I think really what you want to do is maybe not even use the elliptical marquee, maybe instead just simply the regular lasso tool. And so I'm gonna make a selection, and right click, generative fill, and I'm gonna type in golden retriever. And let's just see what happens. It's generating. And you'll notice that I don't think this is going to be particularly amazing. And yet, I lied. I'm a liar, because that looks freaking ridiculous. It even has the shadows. That does look really, really cool. Now, I will say there's not a whole lot of difference between using generative fill right now and simply finding something on Google image search, copy and pasting. But you guys check this out. This is where it gets bananas. All right. Here's the elliptical marquee. All right, I'm going to make a selection around Josh's head. Right click. I'm going to do generative fill, and I'm going to type in football helmet. And this kind of blew me freaking away. Oh, I can't wait. I'm excited. Wait a second. That is all right. So that's not amazing. I'm going to try that again. Right click, generative fill, football helmet. Hopefully now it works. And if not, maybe I need... Wow, that looks cool. That doesn't look quite as cool as the one that I created before, but that's okay. So I'm going to make a selection, and I'm going to do this one more time. Right click, generative fill, football helmet. And let's see what happens with James. So here's what you're going to do today. You guys are going to be experimenting with... That looks... that looks kind of fun. And you know what I think? I think that Jack needs, let's see, a cowboy hat. Let's see what happens. I'm curious who can come up with the most interesting, unique, or compelling examples of the generative fill. That is hilarious. And not only did it come up with a hat, it came up with glasses. That is too funny. And it gave him a face tattoo. So clearly there's some issues that need to be worked out. I'm curious what sorts of things you can do. How can you enhance the quality of your work with generative fill? Let me know, guys. Let me know what you guys are able to produce. Good luck.